Hi there, I am Shay Bridger here of Hip to Hoopla, here to give you a quick tutorial on how to do the wrap winder. Okay, what we're going to do first is we're going to start the hoop in the right hand, thumb up, and we're going to place the hoop over the left shoulder. Then we're going to grab with the left hand, thumb down, and grab the hoop out and do a snake arm. And then we're going to wrap with the left hand over the right shoulder, grab with the right hand, thumb down, and also do a snake arm. You can also add a little sidewinder with the head to do this. So you're going to wrap, grab, come out, wrap, grab, come out, wrap, grab, come out. And you can take this, and it's a continuous infinity move. And you also need to know how to do a little snake arms here, which is elbow leads up, elbow leads down. So you're wrapping around the shoulder, grabbing, pulling this out, wrap, grab, pull out, wrap, grab, pull out. Hope you've enjoyed that. This has been Shay Bridger of Hip to Hoopla, and this is the wrap winder wrap. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It uses snake arms and the wrap, the shoulder wrap. All right, have fun, enjoy, comment and like and subscribe, all the kind of good stuff, and share, because sharing is caring. All right. Take care. Rock on. Peace out. Bye.